Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, my credit snipers? Hey, I am excited to be here today, and the reason being that I am excited is because I want to talk to you about a topic that I've been hearing about a lot since the 2008-2009 crash, the bubble burst in real estate and so on. And throughout the years, my mentors and people that I knew that were affluent, some way made money back then, always talked about that will happen again. Now, coming back from a 10x real estate event, also a business 10x bootcamp, learning how to actually put the foundation for the business that we are in, trying to make what we do better for you guys and for our business too, for our family, for our generations and the generational wealth that we're trying to create. Not only that, I want to make sure that anything and everything that I put together, that I learn about, we also bring it to you guys. So one of the things that I keep hearing and doing the research and doing the look at it in the news, guys, there is going to be a wealth transfer very soon, meaning that there's going to be a bubble burst. In other words, like Robert Kiyosaki also said, that in bad times, that's when, if you are ready, that's when you could make wealth. And what I mean by that is that unfortunately, the inflation, the cost of living, it is high right now. It is to a point where we're feeling it with gas. We're feeling with the cost of groceries. We're feeling with the jobs, the interest rate on mortgages, interest rates on loans. I mean, you name it. Inflation is so high. This is the highest it's been in the past 4 years. And unfortunately, a lot of us are feeling it. Don't get me wrong. We may make money in this company, but we all got to drive cars. I don't like to pay $5 for a gallon. No way, no hell. I mean, I have a truck too, and that little truck is a gas guzzler. But again, just like me, I know that you may be in a situation. One of these things is probably affecting you right now. But what I want to make sure you know and you understand is educate yourself. I want to make sure that you understand how we do this. And one of the main things is I love to teach about, and I want to make sure that you guys understand, is credit. Guys, if your credit is not to where it's supposed to be right now, it is time for you to take charge, take advantage, start learning, educate yourself, get everything ready. Start getting the credit that you need, the credit lines, the credit card. Because a lot of people will teach you, oh, you don't need to use credit cards. You know what? I call BS on that. Because credit cards are other people's money. Do you need to use it? No, you shouldn't be using crazy credit cards. You shouldn't be going to more than 5% in your utilization. That is my advice. Yes, I know that a lot of the bankers don't want to see more than 30%. And I know the way that everything is red, if you go over 30%, that's when you start seeing the amber to the red lining. But you know what? If you don't want to use them, then use them, but take them. Have them in your back pocket. That if you have an emergency, meaning that all of a sudden, market crash, you found a home that you always wanted, and that home was $100,000, and for some reason now it's a $40,000, $50,000, and you got to put a down payment of $20,000, and you have two cars of $10,000 each. Well, guess what? You are the man that will be able, or the woman that will be able to get that property. So use other people's money, and that's what's credit. Debt. A lot of people tell you they want to own things free and clear. Okay, why? Why not put your money to work for you, not you for your money? Why not take the debt? And yeah, the bank is going to make money, but take that debt and multiply it, because now you learn how to multiply debt and create wealth for you. Do you know that the rich and the wealthy don't pay things for cash? Don't pay things with cash. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't pay things with cash. Now, if you pay attention to Google, YouTube, Apple, Tesla, they have money. They have money put away. And more than likely, a lot of the things that they spend and they invest, they could pay cash. but they are the biggest wealth holders, but at the same time, they are the biggest that hold debt. They put that debt to work. They invest back into their business. They are able to now take that money and go back and invest it into different things. And one of those is real estate. For example, life insurances. Life insurance. One of the biggest means in which life insurance invests their money, your money that you pay, is in real estate. One of the biggest holders of real estate portfolio in the world is life insurances. So guys, if they doing it, why can't we do it? And I understand we're gonna have to do it in the small, in the small scale, but do it. Do it. If you can get your hands on it, educate yourself. I mean, that's something. Go through my channel. You have a slew of information. Educate yourself, and if you don't understand something, just put your comment there. We'll go ahead and actually explain a little more. But I wanted to make sure, I'm very passionate about this. I'm very passionate to help others. I'm very passionate to bring this to you guys. We have spent almost close to $1 million in education and systems and things that we put together. We want to go ahead and bring to you, and you get it for free. Just use it. It is working for us tremendously. It's taking us to the next level, to the next level, to the next level, because we get in the right rooms with the right people. You know what? Let me bring that to you. Start using it. Just pay attention. Apply it to your life. Apply it to your business. Apply it to anything that you're trying to start. You're trying to start a new business right now. It is the right time, guys. If you want to go into a space that is really gonna bring your money back, go into the e-commerce. Create a course. In the next year or so, there's going to be the course space. It is going to grow more than 70%. So guys, you know how to do something? Do you know how to actually put something together that others may want to actually learn about? Find out. Do a survey. Social media is free. Go to Facebook, go to TikTok, go to Instagram and ask, hey, if I do this, would you want to know more about this? You may know if people really want to do that. People really want to know about what you want to talk about. Or you may find out that no one wants to know about it. So like that, you have not wasted your time. But what I'm trying to say is in this day, there are so many ways in which you can make money, but at the same time, have that money start working for you. Invest in yourself. One of the main things that Grant Cardone tells us, and if you don't see, I 10x my life in everything we do. So I follow Grant Cardone's teachings, and he's a very smart man, very affluent. Worth almost $6 billion right now. Just 3 years ago was less than $1 billion. But so if he's doing it, he's doing something right. So those are the type of people that you always want to follow in life. Doesn't matter. You don't need to follow Grant Cardone. But anybody that you know in the field that you are in the space that you are in, always ask yourself, has this person walked the path and it's been successful? Is that the path that I want to go after? Is that the coattail that I want to hold? Just ask yourself before you even go that route. If the person haven't done it, and there are so many people out there in the web that will claim to be someone, but when you really research them, they are not that person. There are people that teach you how to build companies, but they have a company of one. How can that be? How would I be able to teach you how to change a tire or even fix a motor in a vehicle, and I am a dentist? You get what I'm saying? The correlation on this, how the difference on that. So always look and research. Do your research. The web is big. It's big. It's big surface that you can definitely find so many things. And guys, I think I'm rambling right now, but I want to make sure that you guys understand how passionate I am about this. I want you to learn. I want you to educate yourself. I want you to do your own research. Take the time. Your life depends on it. Because otherwise you are going to be like many people that lost everything in the recession of 2008, 2009. And I don't want you to be that, especially if you are in this channel. Because if you are in this channel, it's because you want something better for yourself. You didn't know who I was or where I came from, but for some reason, if you subscribe, it's because you probably did one thing, one message that actually helped you in some type of way, which I'm happy about. And I want to continue to actually do those. So, interact with me. Let me know how we do. I want to help you guys. So keep that in mind. You know what? No selfless plug over here, but if you still want, Go ahead and subscribe, click on that bell icon, give me the thumbs up. I want you to be successful. I want you to understand how to read your personal credit, but at the same time, how to actually go ahead and start building business credit. So like that, you can definitely now build the business that you want and don't buy the job that you thought you was gonna have. That's what happened with a lot of business owners. Instead of building a business, they just buy a job. And that's not what I want for you. I want you to create financial freedom, personal freedom, and generational wealth. That is the goal with this channel, and that's what we want to do. Very soon, the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna be bringing some investors that I'm gonna be teaching you about. If you want to learn more about Dogecoin or even cryptocurrency or any other type of cryptocurrency out there, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're also gonna be teaching you more about real estate, because that's something that I'm very passionate about. And all the forms of investment that I want to put in front of you, that is something that you want to learn more about, we'll find out. And hopefully this can help you. This can help you as well. So guys, thank you for your time today. I appreciate it. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin. This is the Credit Assassins channel, and I hope you love this actually content, because it came from the bottom of my heart. I'm very passionate about what I want to do for you guys, and I want you guys to help me. I'm getting the help necessary, but I want to keep bringing some value to you guys. Until the next video, this is your boy Carlos Estrada. See you soon.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?